We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI for business effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude AI website. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the necessary information like your name, email, and create a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Claude AI dashboard, where you can access various tools. To start using Claude AI for business, you'll want to explore the Business Solutions section. Click on it to see a range of AI-powered tools specifically designed to help with business tasks. These might include data analysis, automating customer service, or even generating business insights. If you're interested in automating customer support, you can set up a chatbot by selecting the Chatbot Builder option. Here, you can customize your chatbot's responses to align with your business's tone and frequently asked questions. You can also integrate it with your website or CRM system for seamless operation. For data analysis, you can upload your business data and use Claude's AI to generate reports or predictive analytics, which can provide valuable insights into your business operations. Remember, each tool has a tutorial or help section if you need more detailed instructions. It's all about finding the right tools that fit your business needs and experimenting with them to see how they can improve efficiency. Don't forget to check out their support resources if you run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.